studio, guys. Back to the studio.
So you use the same thing.
Yes, well, jwale e tswa go Josie a re thandekile. Sa o nkgatla kudu go gore go
Josie or Juicy? Juicy or Josie?
Okay, let him say it. How about that?
Juicy.
Oh.
And then girls will go for like, juicy.
Juicy. Yes, well, e tswa go Josie. Baby cha thandekile. Welcome to Nchurugele.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm very well.
Everybody out there, this is Juicy from Afrotainment. Hello, ladies.
Yeah.
It's Juicy here.
What very skipper say
What's
fact
up?
Devon Rock and Okalimpopo. So what ke fact Devon Rock Kolimpopo.
Yeah, man.
So your new album?
Right now we single episode ngothandekile lo izwa idlala la. And then my new album will be out I think next year ngabo March. Yeah, the album will be released.
A bit of where you from? I know that you've actually worked with legends like your Mbongeni Ngema.
Yeah,
where did you start? Can you take us through just a little bit of that?
Bengisemncane. Let me just say ngiqale nje ngiseyingane and then
A crash.
Crash bengicula. Serious. Crash bengicula. Ekhaya bekuthi makufika ama visitor evakashile ngibize le dining room kuthiwa wozoshayela inothi elincane. Understand? So into engikhule nayo ever since ngithe ngiqala ngithola umbongeni ngema ngithola DJ Tira already into ebisivele sisegazini.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put him to the test. Actually, awuqala ukufika la studio, ne?
Yeah.
This is not your first time. So Lethabo, listen to what Juicy can deliver. Okay. Now
You want me to sing?
Okay. I'm taking down the volume.
Which song? Any song, eh?
As long as amantombazana lalela, that's
Angazi ukuthi
okay.
ufuna ukucula licula.
Uthi ngwenzile yona le ngizele. Mamela. Donko kulapha endlini. Kungokwakho thandekile. Donko kulapha endlini. Kungokwakho thandekile. Bese shona phansi. Donko kusenhlizweni yami ngikuthandela wena thandekile. You wanna kiss me now? Come,
Okay. Lalela ke Juicy.
Yeah, man.
Let's make it relevant ke. Ulithaba igama lakhe ke lo.
Let's
Awushaya ingoma ke ufaka igama lakhe sizwe ukuthi uyozwakala kanjani.
Let's go back.
Okay.
Angimtholanga Lethabo fana nawe Asoza biko Lethabo fana nawe Umangi nawe Inhliziyo yami ihlale igcwele uthando.
Okay. After this performance, ne? Juice, thatha leyo Lethabo wakho.